This was, I think, one of my favorite shoots. I just know when we don't have too many things to worry about, the results are usually much better. The whole focus was just on her and the outfit. We were keeping things very minimum. We decided to use this brown textured, beautiful canvas. I know we were shooting in daylight, and shooting clothing in daylight sometimes can be tough, but we decided to use daylight because we knew we have very few pieces to shoot, and the amount of light we were getting was just enough to even survive for a few hours without worrying about too much of change in exposure and stuff like that. The model was amazing. I mean, she was getting the direction really well. I kind of gave her a free hand because I was just loving how she was moving. She was doing things that she would naturally do. We were playing this beautiful, amazing song in the background, South Indian classical, and she was just listening to the beat and getting into that zone. And I really, really wanted a lot of natural emotions and expression on her face, and she was just doing that. This was a very Indian-like shoot. We decided we will use accessories that will complement the colors, but we will not go overboard with it. So we kept our jewelry very, very simple. We just added just enough pieces, earring or bangles, and that's it. Even for hair, we kept it really simple. We just used a couple of flowers and that's all. We were shooting at shutter speed 1:125 with f5 and ISO 500, which was perfect. It was not giving me any grain, and the highlight on her face was just perfect. It was enhancing her skin texture and the makeup perfectly. I think it's amazing how simple things turn out really beautiful at the end, and when I saw the picture, we really had a hard time selecting which one works and which one doesn't, because all the pictures, most of the pictures were really, really beautiful. So this was a little behind the scene from the shoot, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.